I'm really scared right now.
Oh my god, as I drop it, we have to do it now.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
I'm watching you
Ellie,
first.
come
I'm watching
on,
you
do
first.
it.
Do it,
Ellie, at
Ellie,
the same
you
time.
Fine,
do
fine,
it.
fine.
You said you were gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
I'm so
Do
scared.
it, Luke. And then she'll be by herself.
I'll go right now.
Oh my god. Wow, success.
Right? It's like stuck in your throat.
Come on, Ellie.
Okay.
You can't breathe when it's in there. It's gonna go up your nose.
Swallow it. He's dying. He's crying. That hurts. Watch out, don't step on the dog shit.
It's private language.
I need more water.
Oh, you just stepped on dog shit.
Take that off before you come in the house. Can we do it again? It was fun.